It's very easy to look at ministries, people of God, successful churches as they were in the right place at the right time.
Very, very easy. Very easy.
And then you give yourself a pass.
But even the guys that are inside the track, that are there, they're putting it down as, either one or two things. Either, this is my lucky day, or I just happen to increase my odds, by X, Y, Z.
Right. To the guy that owns the property at the way that two roads meet, he would just think that the disciples showing up there and taking the donkey was just a random act. But the reality is it was submission to a plan. Go, walk, and you'll find.
Very well put.